Construction workers vocabulary. Welder, welder. Construction worker, construction worker. Construction manager, construction manager. Engineer, engineer. Architect, architect. Brick mason, brick mason. Pipe fitter, pipe fitter. Builder, builder. Plaster, plaster. Carpenter, carpenter. Drywall installer, drywall installer. Stone mason, stone mason. Metal worker, metal worker. Turner, turner. HVAC technician. Glazer, glazer. CNC programmer, CNC programmer. Sheet metal worker, sheet metal worker. Painter, painter. Scaffolder, scaffolder. Electrician, electrician. Locksmith, locksmith. Plumber, plumber. Concrete finisher, concrete finisher. Roofer, roofer. Till setter, till setter. Surveyor, surveyor. Foreman, foreman. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy this video.